especially in a competitive democracy where your psychological disposition for immediate gratification can be hijacked and used for political gain by simply making a promise that when we win, or if you vote for me, I'll go and give you heaven. I'll go and fix every road, feed every child in school, remove tax from every business. Which are some of the other promises? I'm going to give every young person a subsidy for a deposit on a home. There are some other ones. I don't remember all of them. And it sounds good, and even persons in this room say, yes, I like that. And indeed, that has been the nature of our politics. But something has happened in Jamaica in 2025. It may have escaped you. You may not have recognized it, but something has changed in Jamaica. For the first time, promises that were made by politicians were costed. A price was put on it. Because for too long in our economic history, and indeed our social history and in the development of the country, our electorate has never really asked our politicians to price or cost the promises that they make. Because we want the satisfaction, now we accept anything that is told to us. But in this last budget, a price was placed on every promise that was made. And it was not just in the budget, but there is an institutional change that has happened in our country, and I'm certain it has passed most of the persons here. But Jamaica now has something called a fiscal commission. How many of you heard about that? It means that the days of impractical promises that would easily catch the eye of the unsuspecting voter, the days of politicians being able to ride on the psychological need for immediate gratification by making empty promises, those days are over. By the clock, I can tell that there are some people who want those days to continue. But an important part of the transformation of Jamaica is the institution of the fiscal commission. So what the